Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Phillips SW6700 electric shaver. It's the Star Wars inspired Poe Dameron X-Wing fighter style. So you got all the nice little decals of the Resistance emblems and it just overall style to look like an X-Wing fighter jet. So here it goes, unboxing it. So you get a nice little travel pouch. Feels quite hard and robust, so it looks like it'll travel well. Right, and here's the razor. Nice and lightweight. Feels good. Mould your hands quite nicely. Currently needs a bit of charge, so I'll put it in charge in a minute. So I put that aside for 1 second. What else do you get in the box? So you get a beard, a moustache, as well as sideburns trimmer. Universal charger. And these are just the instructions. I'll put that aside. See, V-Track Precision Pro blades. So there's 72 self-sharpening blades, 8 directional contouring heads, 60 minutes to the full charge, and you get 20 shaves out of that. There is also a option for a quick shave, which takes 5 minutes to charge, and there's an option if you've got any dense beards or hard stubble that's struggling to get shaven by the normal function. If you push the X-Wing fighter jet, it turns a turbo mode on, which is 20% more power of the regular shaver. The retail price in the UK is at £80 and the retail price in the US is $129. The blades need changing every 2 years, with the replacement blades in the UK costing £48 and $60 in the States.